This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roy Gilbertson. Unrestricted 9.951 acres of gently rolling land offering the perfect blend of usability, privacy, and opportunity. Bordering an impressive 590 acres of USFS land, this property opens the door to endless hiking, hunting, and exploring right out your back door. Small creeks meander through the property, adding to the natural beauty and peaceful setting. With multiple ideal build sites, the land is well suited for a private estate, family compound, mini farm, or potential subdivision. The terrain provides easy access and flexibility for a variety of home styles, from a sprawling ranch to multiple cabins. Enjoy the quiet of nearly 10 acres without sacrificing convenience, located just minutes from town for dining, shopping, and everyday essentials. A rare opportunity to own usable acreage with direct access to thousands of acres of protected land. For more information,